Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Heat. As we have discussed in the last class about the thermometers, we have discussed only two type of thermometers. One is the laboratory thermometer and second one is the clinical thermometer. We have learned about the difference between these two type of thermometers and about the similarities between these two type of thermometers. And rest we have, as we have four categories of the thermometer. One is the clinical, second one is digital, third one is laboratory, and fourth one is the maximum minimum. We have discussed about the clinical and laboratory. Today we are going to discuss about the digital thermometers. Digital thermometers, as the name indicate, it based upon the digits, means they were designed to be more accurate than the normal mercury thermometers. Second, more digital thermometers have digital screens that display the exact thermometer of whatever you are measuring. Third one is the digital thermometers was found in the late 20th century as a substitute of AG's old mercury thermometers. They were preferred over the conventional mercury thermometers. They are easy to read because they give us LCD display. You have to tell me the meaning of the LCD. Of temperature of the person, they are also mercury free, so they are good as compared to other, because as we know mercury is toxic to our health. It is a poisonous. Now the question is, what is the application of the digital thermometer? Means, what is the use of this digital thermometer? We in daily life or home use, we use the digital thermometer for cooking, monitoring temperature on home appliances such as refrigerator, swimming pool. We use in the laboratory such as for monitoring the experiments and the chemical reactions, as well as maintaining an optimal, means minimum laboratory environment. Third use of the digital thermometer is in the medicine for the clinical setting on the patients. Fourth is for the meteorological department, using it for the temperature readings of the air, atmosphere and the water. Okay, so this is about the digital thermometer, their use and on what principle it is based. So, basic about the thermometer is that it measures the temperature. The thermometer sensor is either a mercury base or a digital circuit board. The sensor convert the temperature into the numeric value or the numbers that are made on the side of the mercury, or just digital representation of the numbers. Thermometers are primarily used in the medical meteorological research department along with the other uses too. The modern thermometer has evolved from the 17th century instrument called thermoscope. Technology has evolved to invent a medical infrared thermometer ideal for the non contact use. Okay, this is about the basics of or difference between a digital thermometer and the mercury thermometer. Now, the fourth category of thermometer is the maximum minimum thermometer. As we know, the maximum temperature of the day at a given place occurs normally in the afternoon as the earth gets heated by the sun. At night, as the sun rays do not fall at place, it cools down, thereby bringing down the temperature. And minimum temperature occurs normally in the early in the morning. So the special thermometers are used for the maximum and minimum value are maximum and minimum thermometers. So the basic of the maximum and minimum thermometer is that it records the highest temperature and the minimum temperature of the day. You can see in the figure that maximum and the minimum thermometer. Now you have to see the how it is constructed and what is the working or on what principle it is working. Maximum and minimum thermometer consist of a U-shaped glass tube with two separate temperature scales set along each arm of the U. Means it is a U-shaped. The bulbs are hidden by a plastic housing. One housing is for recording maximum temperature and other for minimum temperature. Left hand full of the alcohol. Measure the temperature by the expansion and contraction of the liquid. Means in the mean term it is made up of mercury and alcohol. Means it is having the shape of a U, English letter U. One tube is filled with the alcohol. That is, as we know, the alcohol is very cold, having the very low freezing point, as alcohol is used in the nail paints also. And second tube, mercury is used. Mercury, as we know, it is a heavy metal. It is having very high boiling point. Okay, so this is about the maximum and the minimum thermometer, which measures the maximum and the minimum temperature of the day. So what we have discussed today, I am concluding it about the digital thermometer and the maximum and minimum thermometers. By this we have completed the topic thermometers and their four types. One is the clinical, second is laboratory, third one is digital, and fourth one is maximum and minimum thermometers. You have to read the what precautions we should use while dealing with specific type of thermometers. Okay, thank you. If you have any query, you can call me or message me. Students, attend the classes. Second, read the book. Third, do the homework on daily basis for better concepts. Okay.